Dear friends, I would like to share some captivating story videos with you. These videos have garnered a large number of views and are available in various languages, including Hindi and English. If you aspire to create similar content and grow your presence on YouTube, there's good news even if you lack skills in animation, storytelling, voiceovers, and editing. You can still pursue this endeavor with the help of AI tools developed by smart individuals around the world. These tools allow you to craft amazing animated stories, and the best part is that some of them are now available for free. With dedicated effort and determination, you have the potential to not only create fantastic content, but also earn from it. Before we proceed, let's take a look at what we can create using these tools.
Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young girl named Mia. Mia was known for her kind heart and boundless imagination. One day, while exploring the woods near her home, she stumbled upon a hidden gate adorned with delicate vines. Intrigued, she pushed it open and gasped in awe at the sight before her. Before Mia stood a magnificent garden filled with vibrant flowers and sparkling fountains. But what truly captivated her were the glowing orbs scattered throughout the garden. They were wishes, waiting to be discovered. Overwhelmed with excitement, Mia started exploring. Each wish held a unique power. A wish for love, for courage, for happiness. With each wish she found, Mia's world transformed.
So, make sure you watch till the end to fully enjoy and grasp the concepts we'll be covering. Let's get started. In this video, we'll break down the process into 6 easy-to-follow parts. Part 1. Creating the story script and prompts for story images. Part 2. Creating voiceover. Part 3. Generating images. Part 4. Transforming images into 3D videos. Part 5. Editing the video. Part 6. Adding subtitles. Without any further delay, let's dive right in and get started. Part 1. Creating the story. To write a story script, we can utilize the free AI tool ChatGPT version 3.5. Let's begin by requesting 5 excellent story title ideas. We will use the command, write 5 best kids story ideas titles. ChatGPT will then provide us with 5 titles. If none of the titles appeal to us, we can regenerate them. Once we have selected a desired story title, we can proceed by requesting a story script of only 200 words about that title. For instance, I will use the command, write a story about the secret garden of wishes, Mia's extraordinary journey. ChatGPT will generate the story script for us. Furthermore, we can also generate prompts for story images using ChatGPT. To accomplish this, we will employ the command, write prompts to generate images for the stories. This way, we will have both the story script and prompts for story images ready. Part 2. Creating voiceover. To generate a voiceover, we can use the 11 Lab website, a free platform that converts provided scripts into voice recordings. If you don't have an account on this site, please create one. If you already have an account, simply sign in. Once you are logged in, copy your story script from ChatGPT. Then, choose the desired voice type that suits your needs. After making your selection, click on the Generate button. Now, you will have your voiceover of the story ready to use. Part 3. Generating images. To generate images for our story, we can utilize various image-generating tools such as Midjourney, Blue Willow, Lexica Art, Leonardo AI, and more. In this video, we will specifically use Blue Willow and Leonardo AI. We will use the prompts that we generated earlier from ChatGPT to create these images. Please note that this process can be time-consuming, but we will generate the images that we find most appealing. Part 4. Transforming images into 3D videos. To create 3D videos from the images we generated earlier, we can utilize the LeiaPix AI website. Please begin by registering yourself on the site using your Gmail account. Once you have registered, sign into your account. Click on the Add icon to upload the photos you want to use. The website will automatically generate a 3D video from your photos. After the video has been created, click on the Share icon and select the MP4 option. Finally, download your 3D video. Please note that this process may take some time to complete. Part 5. Editing the video. To combine all the assets of the video, including the generated voiceover, images, and 3D video, we can utilize various video editing tools. While artificial intelligence also provides several tools for this purpose, we will use Filmora. After gathering all the assets, open Filmora and import them into the software. Arrange the assets in the desired order and make any necessary adjustments or edits. Once you are satisfied with the composition, your video will be ready for the next part of the process. Part 6. Adding subtitles. To add captions to your video more efficiently, we can utilize the Clipchamp website. Begin by opening the Clipchamp site and uploading your video. Once the video is uploaded, drag it into the timeline. Next, click on the Caption button located in the upper right corner of the interface. Click on Turn on Auto Caption and select your desired language. The auto captioning feature will generate captions for your video. Once the captions are ready, download your video with the captions included. This method will save you time compared to manually adding captions using a traditional video editor. Finally, your video is complete and ready to be uploaded wherever you desire. If you find the video informative and enjoyable, we kindly request you to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos similar to this one. Your support and engagement are greatly appreciated.